Do you want to know how you can choose the settings of images on Midjourney? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can choose the settings of your images on Midjourney. Go ahead and open Chrome or its browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Midjourney. Click on the first link, which is the official page of Midjourney. Log in to your account. Now, to select your settings or choose the settings, you can see in this search bar, this is the settings option. Tap on it and you can see that you can change the image size, model, aesthetics, and some of the more options like speed. So, to change your image size, there are three options: portrait, square, and landscape. You can even alter this by dragging it, and you can select it according to your wish. So the next option is the model. You can see that you can generate two types of models, standard and raw. You can even select the number of versions you want, and there are some versions like Niji 6, Niji 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and these are some of the models. To choose the aesthetics, you can alter the stylization, weirdness, and variety. If you hover around this, you can get the proper information about what this dictates. So you can see that you can change these, and the last one is the speed. If you want your product to be in a very fast output rate, you can click on turbo, relax, and fast. This is how you choose your settings of images on Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.